change your profile photo on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile photo on TikTok now. First open TikTok now and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click the storylines. Here is it, click on it, and then click manage TikTok account, and once you're here click edit profile photo, and that's it. Here you can change it. Now just click edit profile photo, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.